Hello Andy, welcome back to Shikha's Fab. Andarki Namaskaram. As everyone knows that Shikha's Fab is famous for cotton sarees, but we do have two retail stores also where we are keeping all the varieties of cotton sarees, fancy sarees, embroidered sarees, and all the varieties from all over India. Let it be Jaipur or embroidery or kantha, all those sarees. So today, what I am going to show you are all these are kantha work sarees and hand embroidered sarees, very nice sarees. All these are silk based sarees. These are fancy tussars and silk sarees, jute saree and jute tissue also. So the first saree what I am wearing, you can see, very elegant saree. This is a fancy tussar saree, and see the pallu, this all is hand embroidered. Backside you can see this, you can have a feel of this hand embroidery. Very reasonable range, only just at 3995, 3995, which is very less for this hand embroidered work. This pallu is completely kantha work and hand embroidery. Sari also very elegant. In this, blouse is coming running with hand embroidery, but like I have done my mix and match with ajrak modal silk, the same way you can also wear these saris with mix and match. And as we have a retail store here, we can even suggest you for these mix and match. So this is the first sari, very beautiful sari with hand embroidery and complete silk look with this sari. So the next sari is this khadi tussar sari. This is also fancy khadi tussar, but it has a pure khadi tussar look, and range is also very reasonable. This is just at 2995, it means 2995, and you can see these bootas. These all are embroidered bootas. Very beautiful. This temple border, color combination also nice. Beige color plus this rani pink color, and this with the tassels, and blouse also, you can see blouse also beautiful blouse with these stripes. So overall a very different and very nice look, elegant look with just at 2995. Another color is this gray, black, and this beige. Again the same hand this embroidery, these bootas, very beautiful embroidered bootas. This is the next color of the previous sari. Blouse will come with these stripes. Same price is 2995. This another color is this beige color with sea green, which is also very nice color. Hand embroidered buta. Blouse again the same concept. This is the blouse for this with the stripes, which can be done in a very modern style or high neck or close neck, collar neck with these saris, which will look. And these are very good for corporates and office going people because these are very easy maintenance. Even it can be washed at by hand also, or if you want more, then you can give it for dry cleaning also. Now this sari, this is jute tissue. You can have the feel of this fabric. A tissue thread is there in this jute thing, and this all is embroidered. This off white, a very royal look, and this also is a embroidery. So all these saris are with this embroidery concept. Beautiful sari, and the pallu will come with this. This is the blouse with this small booties blouse. Blouse is also very elegant, and you can always do mix and match with this. And price is just 3880, 895. Very reasonable price for this saree. In the same fabric, this tissue jute fabric, and with this hand embroidery. This is another design. These all are with the beige color base only, and embroidered colors are different. This is 4295. Very beautiful sari. This is the pallu with the handwork, and you can see the authentication of this because this you can see the threads at the back side, which gives a look of this which shows that these are all hand embroidered sari. And this is the blouse pe hands, we have the work on the blouse. We have three colors in this. Price is 4295. Another color of the same design, with this green highlight, base color same, jute tissue. Price is also same, 4295. Beautiful sari. Next color is gray and beige. Same concept, same fabric, jute tissue fabric, hand embroidered. Blouse also coming with embroidery. Same price, 4295. Next sari. This is with print and embroidery. This is like dual concept. This is a digital print, very beautiful. This is also in gradation, dark to light, and this kinari, this you can see, this is again embroidery with this gold kinari, and pallu with raw silk. This pallu is raw silk, and this embroidery is again hand embroidery. This is the pallu, and blouse for this is coming this with the embroidery raw silk blouse is coming. Price is 4995. This also is embroidery, so a very nice concept with raw silk and tussar look. Price is 4995, and we have two colors in this. This is another color with the green shade. Same concept with this embroidery here. Pallu is with the embroidery, raw silk pallu, tussar look for the sari, and digital print for the embroidery, and price is 4995. Another very good fabric, very lightweight fabric. See the feel, this is so lightweight fabric. This is jute linen fabric, again with the same concept. All this is hand embroidery. Pallu, this is the pallu, beautiful pallu with hand embroidery, and blouse also comes with the embroidery. Blouse for this will be with these embroidered buttas on hand, and sari is this green color sari. Price for this sari is 3895. Another color in this jute linen, this is onion pink color, same price 3895, with hand embroidery, lightweight sari, easy to maintain and easy to drape. One more very nice collection of Shikha's fab. This is again with the hand embroidery. Even the combinations you can see, very beautiful combinations and very elegant, because these all are hand picked saris. So when we buy these saris, we focus on each and every sari so that our customer should get a very good choice. So this is with sea green and a beige color combination. Embroidery is a little multicolor, so that you can wear a mix and match blouse with these, and the blouses in these are coming with embroidery only. And we have two more colors in this. The price for this is 3995. Another color of the same sari, this is maroon with off white and embroidery. This is the embroidery. Blouse will also come in running with the embroidery. Beautiful blouse and sari. The price is 3995 for this. One more sari. This is also the same concept, and another color, gray and beige color with a little multicolor embroidery contrast. Blouse also will come with the embroidery. Price is also same 3995. This is another concept with jute tussar. Again, this hand embroidery with zari border. This is the look of the sari. Blouse will also come with the embroidery. All the saris, these have a running blouse with some or the other concept. This is the blouse, backside full kantha work sari. This is the blouse, this kantha work, and price is 4595. We have three colors in this. A beautiful look. Another color with the same embroidery and concept. The price is 4595. These all are very good for office going corporates or teachers or these kind of professions, gives a very good look. So the price is same, this gray color 4595. This is one more color in this bottle green color. As we were showing you all the light colors only, this is the only piece we have in dark colors. So those who like wearing dark colors, they can take this. This is also same price 4595. As we have lot more collections, in another video we will show you more collection of these hand embroidered saris and linen saris. If you stay nearby, you can just visit our store, which is located at Hyderabad Raghavendra Colony, Sheshadri Marg, Kondapur. Or if you stay little far, so we can just arrange a video call, or you take a screenshot of these saris and send it to us on the given displayed number. Or if you want more details, we can arrange a video call also for you. So please do visit our store, or else we have a website also. You can visit our website also. Yeah, but sometimes all the saris are not available on the website. So for that, we can just arrange a video call for you. Thank you.